Solo, Big Rhyme.
Wake Up Records, ready to sell first step. Bad to the bone, I'm bringing the devil home. Next to God, the world is my home. Niggas talk like the bull ain't right. I'ma show you that I'm sick in the dark of the night. With the little red dot on my gun, I get people on the run. Funeral homes stay busy cause of me, son. This is what I do all day. Niggas talk like they hard. They could get their body scarred and get put straight in the ditch. I don't give a fuck about a bitch or a nigga. I hate niggas, hate bitches too. I roll by myself like a true soldier do. This is what I did for my life. Bring it back to the shelter and then prove it is right. If you thought that you could see me in the middle of the night or the middle of the day, I could end your life in the middle of the day. Bad to the bone and blocks, I bring it home. And niggas talk shit, I'm in the zone, man. Then I bring it home to the blocks and streets and to the hood. Niggas talk shit till they see it's no good. Bad to the bone and fuck it.
Okay, Big Rhyme.